welcome to my meal prep video. I am going to show you what I do on either a Saturday or Sunday. It takes about 30 minutes and we get a lot accomplished. So before I get started though, I want to make sure you do a few things. The most important thing that I need you to do is make sure that you have everything out, okay? If we're gonna be in the kitchen and make a mess and get things accomplished, let's do it right. So you want to make sure you have your utensils, a couple of good knives. I've got my trash out so I can just throw things away as I need. All of my ingredients are washed and ready to go. And then we will get started. The time is 5:09. So let's see if we can get everything we need to get done in 30 minutes. That is the goal. And that is going to save us at least 2 hours throughout the week. While we are cutting up our vegetables, I have a package of bison that is browning on the stovetop that I'm going to add taco seasoning to, a packet of gluten-free taco seasoning. And I also have 2 packages of Italian sausage browning in my air fryer. So I've got a few things going, and I'm going to put on some brown rice on the stove and get that cooking as well. All right, so now I have a container of squash and zucchini from Costco. I cut up 4 of those, and I'm also going to cut up 3 or 4 peppers to be used, as well as celery. So I've got the veggies all chopped up, and my bison is all brown, and I've got some red pepper in there, and if I had an onion I would put some in there, but I don't have an onion today. My rice is about to boil, and then I'm going to cover that, and I've got 3 minutes left on my Italian sausage. So while I clean up, that's when my rice will get finished. That's going to take 15 or 20 minutes to cook down, and I've got quite a bit completed. Let's take a look at what we have. Let's walk you through what I did here today. I have 8 cups of chopped veggies, which will go in the air fryer, or I will grab some and chop them up fine for a scramble, omelet, or egg white. I always keep the broccoli florets to add to this and just chop those up. This is for chicken salad later. I have some mayo, and I will just cook up the chicken, or I have a rotisserie chicken, and with some pecans, toasted pecans, grapes, and then the mayo. That makes a nice chicken salad. I have my Italian sausage is for my spaghetti squash. I'll use probably half of that for my spaghetti squash pizza pie. I like the celery sticks with nut butter. So there you have it, guys. In 30 minutes, we were able to prepare 3 different proteins, a clean carb in the brown rice, which is just finishing up now that my kitchen is clean. But I've got 10 cups of veggies that are gonna last me 5 days, and we're looking pretty good. Here is the best tip I can give you for meal prep. Understand what are your go-tos for your family. Your family has meals that they love and want on repeat. And so buy those in bulk, okay, whether it's Italian sausage or ground beef or chicken breasts. You know, you could be making 6 to 8 chicken breasts with salt and pepper and olive oil in the oven. We didn't even use our oven today. You could be making 10 sweet potatoes. It really is amazing what you can get accomplished when you put your mind to getting ahead. Now here's the thing. I don't plan that well, guys, right? So I just stick to the basics. I No, I'm always going to like either chicken or brown rice or quinoa. So I can make those into any flavor I want on the day that I prepare it, meaning I can add a Thai peanut sauce, I can add a taco seasoning, I can mix and match based on what flavor profile I want. So that's up to you. You have fun with it, but literally in 30 to 40 minutes with cleanup, all told, you will save yourself about 2 hours. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you.